You are welcome to Coco News TV. This is where you get factual, grounded reports on national and international happening. If you are a returning subscriber, I would like to thank you for your support. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, comment, and share this video with your loved ones. Today's episode on Coco News centers on the Central Bank of Nigeria's governor, Godwin Emifele. Report reaching us says that the court stopped DSS from arresting Emiefele. Well, this news, you can read a whole lot of it from Nairoland. A federal high court sitting in Abuja has declined an application by the Department of State Services, DSS, to arrest and detain Godwin Emifele, governor of Central Bank of Nigeria. The cable understands in declining the motion ex parte filed by an applicant in the absence of the respondent, Justice J.T. Tosho, the chief judge, said the secret police did not provide any concrete evidence to substantiate his claim that Emiefele was involved in terrorism financing, and economic crimes. Well, guys, this is what we are experiencing in a country called Nigeria. How can a whole governor of Central Bank of Nigeria, the Apex Bank, just be arrested like that? Without is it that the DSS don't know the implications of arresting a Central Bank of Nigeria without an express approval and permission of the president? That alone can jeopardize the economy of the country. What is going on here? What actually is going on in Nigeria? How can they just come up with a claim and wanting to arrest the central bank governor? Thank God that the court system in Nigeria is beginning to come alive to their responsibilities by standing up to any act of oppression against the Nigerian society, Nigerian state. Thank God that this justice was alive to his responsibilities by declining to grant the DSS the permission to go ahead and arrest him. Who knows what would have happened? This is an embarrassment. Before they should proceed on arresting such a high-ranking public official, they should have the necessary warrant. They should have the necessary permission from the top, not just come around and arrest him. Maybe we don't know what is going on. Is it that the politicians are fighting back because the governor has changed the naira? So all their plans are right now hanging in the limbo. They don't know what to do next, so they are fighting back. I believe that's what is happening. Let's see what the spokesperson of the DSS is saying. In a statement issued on Monday, Peter Funanya, DSS spokesperson, said that the service will not be distracted by those seeking to use propaganda to undermine its lawful investigation. Afunanya said one of the duties of the DSS is the investigation of matters of national security dimension. It has also discharged this responsibility in the overall interest of Nigerian citizens. Well, if he is saying that, I think the proper thing would have been to present us with a proper arrest warrant or arrest approval by the president. You can't just whisk away the central bank governor, like that, and tell us that you are acting in the interest of the Nigeria. How? This doesn't sound good. It doesn't sound good at all. It doesn't sound good. Let me read what some of the reaction coming from people here. This guy is saying they don't have issues arresting poor people, but once the cash cows are involved, court injunctions start to fly out. Well, I don't think this is the case here. We are trying to protect the office of the central bank governor, because it's a very sensitive one. So if he should be arrested, we are not saying that he shouldn't be arrested if he does anything wrong, but there should be proper procedure followed because of the sensitive nature of this man's office. This guy is saying Emiefele should be arrested 4 days after the release of the new Naira notes by CBN. Banks ATM have not started dispensing cash. Is this part of the plan? It's almost Christmas. When will banks ATM start dispensing cash? Well, we'll wait and see. All right. I can't read all the comments here, but you can go through them at your own time. Emiefele must have really hurt these governors or power brokers with Naira change policy for them to come all out on him, out for him. Well, we think so. All right, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till we come your way again. We say thank you and have a blessed day.